Adverbs, the softening agents of language. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. We're going to discuss an important aspect of English language learning, adverbs. Specifically, we're focusing on how we use adverbs to soften our language and make our conversations sound more polite and friendly. Adverbs are words that modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They describe how, when, where, or to what extent something is done. For example, in the sentence, "He quickly ran to the store," the word quickly is an adverb that tells us how he ran. But did you know that adverbs can also help us change the tone of our sentences? They can make our sentences sound softer and more polite. Let's learn more about it in the next section. When we want to sound more polite or less direct in English, we often use adverbs. These adverbs can change the tone of our sentences, making them sound softer and less commanding. For instance, consider the sentence, "Give me the book." This may sound too direct or even rude in some contexts. Now let's add an adverb and see how the tone changes. Could you possibly give me the book? Here, possibly is an adverb that softens the sentence, making it sound more polite and less demanding. There are several adverbs we commonly use to soften our language. Some of them are possibly. As we've seen, possibly can make a request sound less direct. E.g., "Could you possibly pass the salt?" Just can soften a question or request. E.g., "Could you just move a little to the left?" Actually can soften a correction or disagreement. E.g., "I actually think it's supposed to rain tomorrow." Really can soften a suggestion or advice. E.g., "You really should try the cheesecake." Each of these adverbs makes our language sound less assertive, and hence, more polite and friendly. That wraps up our lesson on using adverbs to soften our language. Remember, while it's important to communicate our thoughts and needs, it's equally important to do so in a way that respects others and fosters positive interactions. The right adverbs can help us do just that. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful in your English language learning journey. See you in our next lesson.